So let's see what we already know about the present perfect progressive. And for example, if we have a subject, let's think about, this is a combination of the present perfect and the perfect progressive. So we're kind of going an extra step. What is the helping verb that we use in all perfect tenses? Anybody know?
To have.
Have. Okay, what if it's he, she, it? Has. Okay, that's correct. Now we're going into these progressive things. Do you know what other verb we need to have?
Been.
Yeah, good. That's exactly right. Then we have our main verb, correct? And because like all progressive verbs, what ending will this verb have? ING, that's correct. So we've got the have, has, and been plus your main verb with an ING ending. So let's say we're going to say we. And let's say we're going to use the verb sing. Would someone like to try to make a basic sentence in the present perfect progressive using the verb sing? Somebody maybe raise their hand and give it a try. Who'd like to try it? Anybody? I'll put it on the board. We is our subject, sing is our verb, using this form. Who'd like to try? Okay, back there.
We have been singing.
That is correct. That's perfect. Okay? That's it. So, for example now though, what if we wanted to make this negative? What would you do?
Use it not. Have not.
Have not, okay? And so usually we reduce that. What would that probably look like? Right? But most of the time we reduce. We haven't been, okay? That's correct. What if we wanted to make it a question? What would you do? That's correct. We would bring the helping verb have or has in front of our subject. Have we been singing? Let's see how you did. Bingo! Correct. That's exactly right. So have, has, been, main verb, and with ing, and then those are some basic forms there. Okay? The other quick thing we want to talk about is when do we use it? Why do we use it? What does this whole thing express? You know, we kind of learned about the present perfect maybe, we know about that. How does it change a little when we add this progressive form to it? What do you think we are trying, the person saying this sentence, we have been singing, is trying to express? Anybody know what this does, this particular verb tense?
It's like we have been studying in Bible college for a time, certain time.
Exactly right. You're exactly right. So what we're looking at is a time period. Sometimes, what do we call the progressive sometimes, a different name for the progressive? Continuous. So we're looking at action, continuous action that's already been going on and is still going. Or we're looking at what is called duration, which really means kind of how long. How long has this been going on and still going on, correct? Okay? All right, and what are two really popular words that are used with this verb tense before, you know, when you're going to express a time period? What do you often have with that?
Since and for.
Since and for. So a sentence here, we have been singing for, anybody? 20 minutes? Okay. We have been singing since 2:30. Okay. Let's check our answers. Correct again. Okay, so here are a couple of the main uses of the progressive form, present perfect progressive, some examples, and yes, for and since are two very common words used to signal it. Now we're going to do a practice, and you need to take out a little piece of paper. This is something to write on the back of. So everyone take out something, scrap paper. You're going to just write a little bit on the back. And Ethan's going to take over here.